How to share Wi-Fi password on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can share Wi-Fi password on your iPhone. So to do that, first of all, go to your control panel. After that, long press on Wi-Fi and then again long press on the Wi-Fi. Now go to Wi-Fi settings. After that, you will be redirected to your settings where in order to view the password of your Wi-Fi, all you have to do is simply tap on the eye icon just right to your Wi-Fi. After that, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to scroll down and then you can see the option password. Now, as you can see, it is currently blurred out. So if you really want to see the password and then share it, all you have to do is simply tap on it and then it will require your Face ID or the passcode of your iPhone. So simply enter that over here, and once you've done that, it will show you the password of your Wi-Fi, and now you will be able to share this Wi-Fi password to someone else who wants to connect to your Wi-Fi. So that is basically how you share Wi-Fi password on your iPhone. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.